Have you noticed that SP heroes are becoming increasingly popular in Sea of Conquest? But what exactly are SP heroes, and how do they work? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about SP heroes, how to get them, what makes them different, and why they are so powerful. How to get? SP heroes come from two primary sources: conch draw and crossover events. Event SP heroes, such as Mai and Janae, are only available for a limited time. Once the event ends, there's no guarantee they will ever return. On the other hand, conch draw SP heroes, like Linae, appear in recruitment campaigns using Gleaming Conch. These are also limited time, but they rotate weekly, giving you more chances to get them over time. Between the two, the event heroes are usually easier to acquire. For example, we spent around $100 to $200 during the Mai event, bringing Mai to over 4 stars, including her exclusive trinket. We also picked up Euryale and her exclusive trinket at a similar cost, but only at 2 stars. Since Mai's event ended, we couldn't progress her any further, but we still can slowly build up Euryale. Ascending SP heroes are challenging. To reach 6 stars, you need 218 badges, about 5 copies of the hero. And if you want the exclusive equipment too, you're looking at around 480 Gleaming Conchs for guaranteed recruitment. We can only get about 5 Gleaming Conchs weekly from the Rogues retailer and market. That means it would take nearly 2 years of exchanging to reach a 6-star SP hero with their exclusive equipment without spending money. If you decide to spend, each conch costs roughly $2.50. That puts the price at around $1,200, depending on your luck. And that's only for 6 stars, not the maxed SP hero. Is it advisable to focus on just one SP hero at a time? Trying to build multiple at once will spread your resources too thin. Did you know a $100 bundle costs much more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting 10 friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who buys a $100 bundle. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Differences. Now, what makes SP heroes different from other legendary heroes? On the surface, their basic stats are similar. But SP heroes have access to a special system called the SP level, which gives them powerful bonuses like extra health, critical damage, dexterity, and more. On top of that, they can also unlock 5 additional talent skills through this system, giving them a total of 10 skills compared to the usual 5. They can even be converted to the X hero, pushing their power further. SP level. SP hero has a unique talent system for the SP level. To level it up, you need talent EXP, which comes from talent tomes. Each level gives you 1 talent point, which you can spend on unlocking or upgrading a talent. For example, you could put points into strength enhancement talent to gain extra strength. At 20 points, you can pick a class specialization from captain, first mate, or gunner. SP hero will remain a jack of all trades after the pick. But if you assign the hero according to their class, the ship will gain 10% extra attributes, like assigning the first mate specialization to the first mate slot. At 40 points, you can unlock the first talent skills. For example, Euryale's first talent skill offers 3 options, but you can only choose 1. If you regret your choices, don't worry. You can reset the talent point spent using a restoration stone, which costs $10. So, to sum it up, SP heroes are much stronger than ordinary legendary heroes, but they require far more resources to fully upgrade. So, who would you pick? Please let us know in the comments. It is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.